Hi everyone, this is Surbhi. Welcome to Surbhi Creates. Even if we draw or not, we are familiar with the term doodle. Google defines doodle as scribbling absent mindedly, but it has somehow a great effect on our mental health. All of us have doodled at some point in our lives, maybe only during boring classes to prevent ourselves from sleeping. But let's admit that we are familiar with what doodling means. But if you are unaware of the term doodle, let me define it for you. Doodle is a simple drawing made up of various common shapes and lines, and it's also fun to draw. But most of us doodle out of boredom, which is completely fine. So, now let's talk about how to doodle because we believe that doodling is for everyone. The first thing to remember when you start doodling is that you don't need fancy art supplies to do that. You can use any pen to make a doodle. I'm using a simple ballpoint pen for this doodle. And if we talk about the colors, we can use crayons, sketch pens, or just leave the doodle without coloring. Doodles are made up of basic shapes, lines, and curves. And that's why I'm using simple curves for this doodle. I am drawing a mother with her child in my doodle, and you can see that I'm using simple curves that are easy to make. Adding flowers to my doodle will make it look more beautiful. You can draw anything in a simple way and call it a doodle. You can see that I've added details in the hair, making it look wavy. I've also added details in the flowers and the leaves. You can see that I have added details to the doodle. And now, let's start coloring. I will use poster colors to paint this picture. You can use any color or just leave the doodle as it is. But if you are coloring the picture, please color it with brighter colors. I am using a brighter shade of green to color the leaves. It has a great effect on memory and it can also be used to stay away from stress. When you focus your mind on making doodles, all of your attention shifts to the process and away from negative emotions. I am using shades of red and orange for the flowers. When you have no idea about what to doodle, you can start with observing your surroundings. Observe your surroundings for ideas. If you can see a lamp, a tree, a bottle, a bulb, or any other thing, try to draw it in a simple way using shapes. You can use shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle, and also curves and lines. I am using my pen again to make the lines look darker. You can see that my doodle is almost complete. I'll just add some blush to the lady's cheeks using a pink pencil color. My doodle is now complete. You can do the same and remember that you don't need to be an expert or have tons of art supplies to start doodling. You can just start now. All the best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.